Are you ready to transform your cooking experience? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the incredible 9-in-1 appliance that will revolutionize your kitchen. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, sterilizer, and more, all in one sleek device. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still being able to prepare virtually any meal you can dream of with unmatched convenience. What makes cooking effortless are its 15 smart programs, allowing you to perfectly cook everything from soup and chili to cakes and eggs with just a touch. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these customizable settings take the guesswork out of meal prep, saving you precious time daily. And let's talk durability and health. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and is incredibly easy to clean after every use. This premium build quality, combined with its versatile functionality, truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart as a top kitchen essential. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance that genuinely simplifies meal preparation, this multi-cooker is an absolute must-consider for 2025. To add this amazing kitchen workhorse to your home, check out the Amazon link securely placed in our description box below. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious home cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is a smart investment you'll be thrilled to make.